Alright, so day before NFP, you gotta be really careful. You guys know how it is with day before NFP. Price can be pretty crazy, pretty sporadic. The day of NFP, very volatile, very crazy to trade. But yeah, so today was trading the day before NFP, and it was pretty good. $300 win. I like to see it. I guess it was like $290 and a small $25 loss, which is okay. But if you guys are kind of keeping up with people on the internet who are trading, and especially the ICT people, this week and last week have been horrible for trading. Price action has been absolutely terrible. A lot of it has to do with American Thanksgiving just passing, Christmas coming up. There's just a lot of holidays coming up, and markets are super volatile, and yeah, just nothing new. Everyone's used to that. But yeah, so last 2 weeks have been too great. So I was happy to get this win today. Very, very nice. And yeah, let me go over it really quick. So the only thing we really had today was 8:30 news. Had to keep in mind that it was day before NFP, and was just on, I don't know, it got on around market open. And the first thing I saw that I kind of liked was this inversion fair value gap right here. We sweep this liquidity right here, which is really nice to see. 1 minute closes, and we enter. The thing is, when this 1 minute closes, we sweep this liquidity here. So technically, that's not really part of my rules. Like, I shouldn't have been in this trade because that sweeps internal liquidity. But even so, I got in it, and I believe it was like a $25 loss, because after we take the internal, I think I got in on this retest or something. I'll show you the execution later. And since we took the internal liquidity, my stop went to break even. So even though the trade didn't really follow my rules, I still followed my rules, and it kind of saved my ass, because as we can see, this thing retraces up, and if my stop wasn't at break even, it would have been a bigger loss. So that's really good. And we follow our rules, because after that shitty little inversion, we get this right here, which is, just a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer of an inversion. And yeah, like, look at this. So we sweep this liquidity here with this bullish movement, and then inverse down. This is not clean, really. This is more obvious liquidity here, so we come up, sweep this liquidity here. Very, very clean gap, way better close of the gap. We're not taking this internal liquidity here or this. And yeah, so we inverse this gap after sweeping this liquidity, enter here on this candle close, and the targets were my favorite and Seb's favorite, equal lows. So we were targeting these equal lows, or if you wanted to, you could have targeted London lows. We didn't do that just because the last 2 weeks have been horrible for taking trades. Just price action has been absolute garbanzo. So we just went with our favorite, TP, and that is equal lows or equal highs. In this case, it's equal lows. And yeah, TP absolutely smacked. It wasn't a huge trade. I think my entry was about here. Only like 16 points, 17 points for $300 win. And you know what? For how Bun's price has been, I will take that. I will take that all day. So yeah, that was the trade of the day. Nothing crazy. Hopefully tomorrow, NFP, we'll get some trades going. Seb is very close to passing another 50K. I think he's like $150 away, and I'm currently up, like 400 on my 50K account, the challenge that's passed, and hopefully I can get a payout on it soon. But yeah, hopefully price can clean up, and yeah, that's it. Take care.